Hello, my name is Clayton, and I have been doing various software demonstrations for about 2 or 3 years now as a Python developer. So you'll write something, and then you'll show someone, and you'll show them, look what you can do with this software, or look what it does, and you're trying to get people interested and engaged. What I found is, you want to show people two things. You want to show them, here's what you will do, how you can do it, and if you do it that way, here's what you will see. There's a lot of temptation that I've fallen prey to, which is, let me demonstrate all that my software can do. You don't want to do that. Let me tell you why. Because especially if your software is unfinished, but you're just trying to demonstrate it to someone, like to demonstrate how far you've come, what you'll end up showing them is, oh, look at this terminal command that I use as a developer, and look, I can make API calls directly from the terminal, and look, I'm generating this intermediate export file, which is proof of concept of other future intermediate export files. But like, people do not want to see behind the curtain. Some people do. Let them ask for it. Sure, generate documentation. I'm not saying it's a secret, but I'm saying if you're doing a promotional video or a demonstration to non-technical people about how your software is going to make their life easier, show them absolutely nothing that they won't see. Only show them things that they'll see during the course of their usage. If you're saying, oh look, I'm generating this intermediate export file, which you should never have to see, but look at the intermediate export file, it demonstrates that we could hypothetically be making SQL queries or whatever. No, screw that. Don't do that. That's going to confuse them. So, in this same vein of thinking, do not be afraid of showing graphics that your software did not generate. You can spoof some graphics. That is perfectly ethical, and it's perfectly fine if you're showing concept artwork of how your software might one day work that will engage a user or a future user. It'll engage their imagination for how they can use the software. Sometimes it's easy to avoid generating concept art because you think, oh, well, that art will be easier to make because it'll be generated automatically because my software will be working. No, make the concept art. Number one, it'll take you way too long to get to that point to be generating the concept automatically. And like, it's totally worth the design process to generate some concept art that'll never see the light of day. Make the concept art and use it in your presentation. Sometimes you're like, oh, I'm just showing them a concept. I'm not actually doing a live demo of my software. Screw your live demo. It's not about you, man. It's about user engagement. It's not about proving to them that, oh, I'm a developer, I made something cool, look, my thing works. No. It's about their engagement and them wanting to use it. Show them what they'll see. Show them how they'll use it. Show them what it can do for them. And sometimes the answer is nothing. It's not going to do anything for them. It's actually going to take work off their plate. It's going to move more behind the veil so they don't have to worry about it. If you can move more stuff behind the veil so they don't have to worry about it, you can just tell them that. If you're not making them a new product, but instead you're taking work off their plate, you can just tell them that. They'll freaking love it.